I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump ring opener. This clever little tool is a game changer for jewelry makers, especially when working with many jump rings. It's a small, ring-shaped device that you wear on your finger, freeing up one hand. The opener has several slots, each accommodating different jump ring sizes and wire gauges, making your work much more efficient and precise. It truly makes the process of opening and closing jump rings uncomplicated. To begin, simply slide the jump ring opener onto your non-dominant index finger or thumb. Next, take your preferred pliers, either chain nose or flat nose, and firmly grasp one side of the jump ring. Now, carefully insert the opposite side of the jump ring into the slot on the opener that provides the best fit for its size. This setup ensures stability and control, preparing you for the next step of opening the ring with ease. With your jump ring securely in place, ensure its opening is positioned at the top, like 12 o'clock on a clock face. Now, using your pliers, gently twist the jump ring open by moving your hand away from your body. Remember, the key is to twist the ring sideways, not pull it apart, which can deform its perfect circular shape. Only open the ring just wide enough to comfortably add your desired component, such as a charm or another link. Once your component is in place, it's time to close the jump ring. Twist the jump ring back towards your body, bringing the two ends together. The goal is to align the ends perfectly, leaving no visible gap. For an extra secure closure, twist the ring slightly past the closed position, then gently ease it back. You might even hear a satisfying click as the ends snap into a tight, professional-looking fit, ensuring your jewelry piece is durable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.